Welcome to Arabic Language Oasis. Today, we are learning how to express possession. Instead of using separate words like my or your, Arabic uses attached pronouns, short suffixes added to the end of a noun. First, we have the suffix ya. It creates a long e sound at the end of the word to mean my. For example,
كتاب كتابي قلم قلمي.
to say our, we use the suffix na. It attaches directly to the end of the noun. Example,
بيت بيتنا مكتب مكتبنا.
let's explore how to say your for one person in Arabic. For male, add kaf with fatha, ka. Female, add kaf with kasra, ki.
Before adding a pronoun suffix to a word, you must look at the end of the word. If it ends in ta marbuta, you must change it to a regular ta before adding the suffix. محفظة محفظتك محفظتك. سيارة سيارتك سيارتك.
Kuma, for second person, dual, when speaking to two people. Let's look at the example.
بيت بيتكما.
Your for group of people. Male or mixed group, add kum. Female only group, add kunna. Let's see the examples.
سيارات سياراتكم سياراتكن. أقلام أقلامكم أقلامكن.
Now that we've mastered how to say my, our, and your, let's explore how to talk about other people. In this part, we will learn how to say his and her in Arabic. First, to say his in Arabic, we add letter he to the end of the noun. Usually we use hu, letter he with dhamma. For examples,
كتاب كتابه قلم قلمه.
The standard suffix for the possessive adjective his in Arabic is hu. However, this suffix changes to he when the letter before it has the gasra e sound. This change ensures smoother pronunciation and phonetic harmony. The vowel on the letter before the suffix depends on its grammatical position in the sentence.
to say her possession, we simply add the suffix ha to the end of the noun. The best thing about this suffix is that it is consistent. It is always pronounced as a long, clear ha. This is different from the masculine suffix, which changes its sound between hu and he.
قلم قلمها ساعة ساعتها.
Huma means there, but specifically for two people. It works for two males, two females, or one of each.
ملابس ملابسهما.
If you are talking about a group of males or a mixed group, we use the suffix hum. If you are referring to a group of females, we use the suffix hunna.
مكتب مكتبهم مكتبهن مدرسة مدرستهم مدرستهن.
The harmony rule also applies to the plural suffixes hum and hunna. Just like who and he, if the noun ends with a kasra, e sound, the suffix hum changes to him and hunna changes to hinna. This helps the words sound better and easier to say.
هل هذا كتابها؟
نعم، هذا كتابها.
أين أقلامكم؟
أقلامنا على الطاولة.
أين سيارتك؟ سيارتي أمام المتجر. أين مدرسته؟
مدرسته في نهاية الشارع.
Now you've mastered all the attached pronouns in Arabic. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the Arabic Language Oasis. Let us know in the comments what Arabic topic should we cover next.